How to delete a movie or show from Amazon Prime Video watch history. So if you want to delete a show from your watch history on your Amazon Prime Video, then you just need to simply go with the Amazon website or the Amazon application. So go with Amazon.com and sign into your Amazon Prime account if necessary. On the left side of the banner at the top of the Amazon homepage, click on the Prime Video tab, which will be on the upper left. Once you go with the Prime Video, now on the Prime Video page, click the gear-shaped icon, which is the settings icon, which will be on the upper right or the top right corner, and select the settings option in the drop-down. You may need to enter your password on the screen. So enter your password. After that, click on the Watch History tab, which will be here. So you just need to simply go with Watch History. Once you go with Watch History, you will have all of the watch history. So you can simply go with the Delete Episodes from Watch History, which will be on the right side. Simply go with Delete Episodes. And in this way, you'll be able to delete the watch history from your Amazon Prime Video. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.